Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Lady V. Now she's addressing an issue. She's asking, is the justice system failing women? And this is about a case where a father impregnated his own daughter. In this case, the father only got 6 years.
I'm wondering who was the justice that sat on that case. A man would have had indecent affair. He would have molested, he would have raped, because if it's a teen, which I'd want to believe is 16 and downward, I honestly want to believe that. And he impregnated his daughter. How could the justice system give him 6 years? Wouldn't it be better to say leave him alone, tell him go ahead and sin no more? Because if you're going to give him 6 years, what is the point? What are you trying to say? Did you send a clarion? Did you send a message out there? Did you say to other men not to do this? This is telling you not to do this. Because if you do this, you're going to get harsh punishment. How can a man impregnate his own daughter and the justice system find it fitting to give him 6 years as his sentence? Vlogs, big up yourself, my brother. 6 years. Damien, think about this. A man had sex with his own child.